Why do so many play zones choose Royal Play equipments for their soft play setup? At A1 Kids Playhouse, our indoor soft play equipment was installed because of our superior safety standards, attractive design and long-lasting performance. The setup is built to create a safe, colorful and engaging environment where children can play freely while ensuring durability and reliable daily use.
ये हमारा प्ले जोन जो बना है ना, ये A1 किड्स प्ले बहुत अच्छा। हमने खाली कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया कि आप बना दो, लेकिन कलर कॉम्बिनेशन में कुछ नहीं देखना पड़ा, इतना अच्छा बनाया है और टाइम पे दे दिया। हमें कभी कहने की जरूरत नहीं, लुक तो आप देख ही सकते हो। और ये बनाया है रॉयल प्ले इक्विपमेंट, बहुत अच्छा काम किया, हम तो बहुत खुश है। हम सोच रहे हैं नेक्स्ट जो बनाएंगे ना, वो भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इनको ही देंगे। गुड।
That the entire play environment is designed with child safety as the top priority. All surfaces are cushioned and finished smoothly so children can move, climb and play freely without sharp edges or hard impact areas. The structures are designed to absorb movement and reduce the chances of injury during active play. Parents and facility owners feel confident because the setup is created specifically for environments where kids are constantly running, climbing and exploring. The entire installation is built to handle continuous use, especially in places where many children play every day. The structures remain stable, balanced and reliable even with heavy activity. The finishing is designed to maintain its appearance and strength over time, so the play area continues to look vibrant and attractive rather than worn out after a short period. This is very important for commercial play zones, schools and residential spaces that need equipment that can perform well for years. Every indoor play environment is carefully planned according to the available area. The layout can be designed to fit different room sizes while still creating a dynamic and exciting play experience for children. The goal is to use the space intelligently so kids can enjoy multiple types of activities in one well-organized area. This thoughtful planning ensures smooth movement, better visibility for supervision and a balanced mix of active play elements that keep children engaged. The entire setup is professionally installed by experienced teams who focus on stability and proper alignment. The installation process is organized and efficient, ensuring that everything is secured properly without disturbing the surrounding structure of the building. Once installed, the play area feels integrated, stable and ready for daily use. The setup is designed to be practical and low maintenance, allowing operators or staff to keep the environment clean and organized with simple routine care. This makes it convenient for schools, residential communities and commercial play zones to maintain a hygienic and welcoming space for children. The design encourages movement, imagination and interaction. Children naturally explore, climb, balance and navigate through the space, which supports physical development, coordination and confidence building. Instead of passive entertainment, the environment encourages active play and social interaction, which is very valuable for children's growth. A well-designed indoor play environment attracts families and creates a lively atmosphere. Parents appreciate spaces where their children can play safely, and this naturally increases footfall and engagement. The colorful and thoughtfully designed layout also enhances the visual appeal of the overall facility, making it more attractive and welcoming. Our goal is not just to install a play setup but to deliver a solution that remains dependable over time. The entire concept focuses on safety, durability, engaging design and practical maintenance. When these elements come together, the result is a vibrant indoor play environment where children enjoy themselves freely while parents and facility owners feel completely confident about the quality and reliability of the setup.